This video is sponsored by Mistplay. Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. It is a brand new month, so you know what that means. It's a brand new soap collection. The theme this month is juicy fruits, inspired by this Pinterest board. It's everything fruity, everything luscious, everything sweet smelling and delicious. We're starting off the month with a peach soap. Peach is one of the #1 bestsellers in our shop. Whenever I bring it in, you guys absolutely love it. So it's a really strong start to the month. And if you're another maker, I want you to be able to snap up this fragrance blend because I'm really proud of it and it smells really delicious. I'll tell you more about it in the video. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we jump into the soap making, here are the 2 fragrances that I'm mixing up today for our peach and vanilla fragrance. It is 2 parts peach margarita, 1 part clouds in the sky. It's really a lovely combo, so feel free to use it in your own creations. My lye water solution is ready to go. I've added some sodium lactate. I have added a little bit of titanium dioxide. And now into my main bucket, I'm adding some flotation device. Just gonna mix this straight into the oils because the whole thing is going to be some shade of peach. All right, let's go ahead and blend our lye water solution in and blend that on up. This is going to be our most vibrant peach color, so now let's pour off our pastel accents. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of fragrance oil. Okay, these colors look a lot better. If you're already playing mobile games, you should play and earn with Mistplay. I've been diving into a few games myself, and not only did I discover some really fun games to play, I also started racking up points towards gift cards. Yes, real gift cards to places like Amazon and Walmart. When you first sign up, Mistplay asks you about all these different gaming categories so that they can give you suggestions for games that you could be interested in. I really like puzzle games, so I have been enjoying Merge Gardens and Cooking Diary, which is sort of like a restaurant simulator and you have to make things really quickly. And that's it. I get points for just playing on my phone. And redeeming those points is super, super easy. If you're ready to join in on the fun, just head on over to mistplay.com/soap or click the link in the description to download Mistplay for free. And if you sign up today, you'll snag 200 bonus points right off the bat. Plus, you can use my special code inside the app for an extra 50 points, which will get you even closer to your first gift card. You can see the description box for full details. Once again, head on over to mistplay.com/soap to start playing games and earning points. Thank you so much to Mistplay for sponsoring today's video. So let's go ahead and pour in about half of our base, and I'll probably end up doing a hanger swirl through this as well. These accents have a lot, and I do mean a lot of titanium dioxide, and so I will probably need to move pretty quick. All right, let's go ahead and swirl this around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This fragrance blend is performing beautifully. Okay, this looks really, really good. It is still quite runny though, so I'm probably gonna have to wait a little bit before mixing up my frosting. Still, I'm really pleased and I can't wait to put it on. Look at this soap frosting, looking so peaches and cream. Yes, this is exactly what I want to see. Man, let me tell you, everyone loves a peach soap. Every time I put a peach soap in the shop, it's one of the first things to go. That's why I added Peachy Drink to my first upload of whipped soaps, because I just knew people would love it, and it's like our #2 bestseller. March is one of my favorite months of the year. All the daffodils that I planted in the fall are coming up and looking fabulous. My dogs are happy. My kitty cats are happy. We're happy. There is sunshine. I have been journaling. I have been creating. I have been so happy in the past month or two. I owe a lot of that to fixing my gut health. I've been eating tons of fermented foods. I made my first sourdough recently. Yeah. I got bit by the bug. I'm not crazy about it. Like, sourdough is in no way, shape, or form a lifestyle. It's just something that I enjoy doing. For some people, I feel like it is. Like, they own all the fancy equipments and they learn all the things. I'm not committing that hard. I really am doing it for gut health reasons. I've started making my own kombucha. I have started making my own kefir, and my entire family, oh my gosh, our health has benefited so much from that. Let's put this last one on real quick. Just need a little tiny dollop on top of these. These are some pretty big embeds, and we're not putting one on the top. Anyways, with the warm weather now coming, I'm trying to figure out where we're going to go for our anniversary. It's mine and Caleb's 8-year anniversary in May. Let's add a little bit of Mermaid Trails glitter. Just a little. We love a little bit of sparkle for no reason. And now we can put our little peachy slices on. Look how cute they are. They look like the type of peach you would find in a can of peaches. What are those called? Like yellow cling peaches. Okay, this looks amazing. Now I'm going to go get a little bit of soap drizzle to put on top to really pull it all together. I love the way it looks right now. It looks like peach ice cream. I just think having a little bit of that clear drizzle on top is going to make it look like, oh, I don't know, just so much better. Okay, I have tested the melt and pour, and I think it's ready. Look at this lovely peachy shade. We're going for that peach juice in a can look. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Any little cracks I find, especially near the top, I am going to prioritize those because they will be the most visible. This actually does look edible. I'm obsessed. We have a lot of new subscribers in the past month or so. I don't think you realize how big the bars are. They're around 6 to 7 ounces, but can weigh all the way up to 8 ounces, which means, yes, it's a half a pound of soap. So a lot of people that have been purchasing from me for years and years like to split their bars in half, and then they can use it at 2 different sinks or in 2 different showers. Of course, I do make soaps that are smaller. The artisan bars are slightly smaller, and then the Simplicity bars and diamond soaps are definitely smaller by a few many ounces. They're kind of a traditional size soap bar. I'm gonna fill up this little piping dollop with all the yummy. That looks so yummy! Wow, look at those! Let me bring you in a little bit so that you can see just how yummy those tops look. Ooh, I can't wait to photograph these. And we'll come back tomorrow and see what that swirl on the inside looks like after this quick commercial break. Wow, look at this soap the next day, looking juicier than ever. We will go ahead and peel. Go ahead, lay this down. Looks good on the embeds. Pull one out, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Very peachy, creamy, swirly twirly. I love the colors for this. They faded into exactly what I wanted, which was something light and reminiscent of like peaches and cream ice cream. Of course, the tops look absolutely divine. Question of the day, do you prefer peach baked goods or like peach drinks? What's your favorite peach product? Every summer, we have a company called Bluebell here in Texas, and they make a peach and vanilla ice cream, and it is so good. Like peaches and homemade vanilla is what it's called, and it's delicious. That's probably my favorite peach thing. Man, we're really starting off this collection with a bang. Yeah, we're totally pleased with these. I'm probably not gonna change a darn thing. They smell super strong the next day. I'm just obsessed. If you wanna get one of these bars or one of the other fruit-themed soaps this month, you know when we upload first Saturday of every month, so the first Saturday of April, they will be available. We have more really fun designs coming this month, so if you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe. We're on our way to 1 million subscribers. I don't know if we're gonna reach that this year or not, but I don't know. We're on our way. Don't you wanna be a part of this movement forward? You can also turn on a notification bell, or you can check me out over on the YouTube Shorts tab because we are uploading shorts of every soap that we're making this month. Have an absolutely royal day. Do something fun for yourself today, whether that's whipping up a peach pie or having some peach ice cream. I don't really care what you do. Just do something for you. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Meow.